Kepri Upper Air Disinfection System from Excelitas Technologies is a game changer in the battle against airborne infection risk. Its potent UVC energy is effective against a wide range of airborne pathogens, including bacteria, mold, and viruses such as those that cause the flu and COVID-19. Setting up the Kepri is simple and easy. Before installing the fixture, make sure to review the user manual and follow all safety guidelines. A copy of the user manual can be found on our website at www.excelitas.com. First, check your shipping box to ensure all necessary parts are included. Your box should contain one Kepri fixture, one mounting bracket, one region-specific power cord, and 2 screws to attach the fixture to the mounting bracket. Depending on your wall construction, your mounting hardware may vary. For pendant mounting instructions, please refer to the user manual. Next, locate an appropriate location to install the Kepri fixture. Your unit should be placed 90.5 inches or 2.3 meters from the floor, with a ceiling height equal to or greater than 9 feet or 2.7 meters. Once you have a proper location, use a level to position the mounting bracket on the wall and mark the holes to be used for the wall mounting hardware. Mounting hardware is not provided. Next, insert the wall mounting hardware and secure the bracket to the wall. When the bracket is mounted, slide the Kepri fixture onto the bracket by aligning the guide pins. Ensure the fixture has been secured by tightening the side screws located on both sides of the bracket. When the fixture is secure, you can plug in the power cord to the rear of the unit and the wall. Next, power on the Kepri by flipping the power switch. You will notice that no UV energy is being emitted by the fixture. Before UV can be emitted, the unit must be aligned within 1 to 5 degrees of horizontal, and the UV enable button must be pressed. To align the unit, loosen the side screws and adjust the angle until the tilt indicator displays green. Then, tighten the screws to hold that orientation. If the tilt indicator is red, it means the unit is not properly aligned. You may also utilize the fine adjustment screw on the rear of the fixture if necessary. Once Kepri is properly installed, you can enable the UV emission by pressing the UV enable button. In order to prevent unintentional exposure to UV energy, there is a 30-second delay between when the button is pressed and when UV is emitted. When the UV indicator is solid red, that means UV is being emitted and your system is functioning. To find out more about Kepri, how it works, or its safety features, please visit us at excelitas.com.